our friend Mike came by and said, there's a car, showed me a picture of this car. And I said, I know exactly where that car is at because I've tried to contact the owner about getting that it's been about 8 months ago, to let them know that a building was messed up. And so I didn't get a hold to them, but now they're here getting their stuff out and they're willing to sell the car and a bunch of the other stuff that's in here that I was interested in the first place. So anyways, Russell?
Yeah, bro.
It's pretty cool stuff.
Bunch of old stuff.
Bunch of old stuff.
A lot of lumber. Reminds me of building my house.
Bricks.
Windows, lumber, bricks, car parts.
There's a
antiques, Coke, Dr. Pepper machine.
There's a Pontiac. He's a Firebird, right?
But it's a late 70s.
Oh, it's late 70s?
Yeah, there's the nose pieces over there. You can see it. It's the plastic bumper cars.
Oh, so it's more like it's like late 70s?
Close to the Bandit kind of car.
That's what I was thinking. Okay. Might not be interested in that. I don't know. I do want this. It's broke. One of them's broken, but that'll look cool in the shop. Tires, axle, wheels, align. So this was a front-end alignment machine right here. Back in the day, I learned this here recently that they used to bend the axle to get the alignment correct. And so I think I was told that this would have like all the tools on it that they would use to do that. And I even think even this pit in our warehouse is an old alignment pit. So I want this. I don't know how I'm gonna get this off the wall because it's built in, but I want the wood. Just want the sign portion of it or the whole wall. So we came to look at this car.
It's a odd duck.
It's a weird car. I looked him up.
He said the owner was a painter at one point and in his old age had a fixation with repainting his cars with a paintbrush every year. So that's why it looks like this.
So he kind of protected it in a way, right?
I guess.
It's got lots of paint on it.
It might look pretty neat if you started wet sanding on it. You'd probably start showing some colors through because it looks a little yellow under in some spots, but all the rubbers, everything is painted, so. I think the engine is the valuable thing in this car.
Yeah.
And I don't know how valuable they are, but if what he says is right.
It might be worth something.
He said 61 through 64, GM made an aluminum V8, and these cars had them, and then they sold this design to Land Rover.
Yeah, Land Rover. He said it was the first year that they did that or something, right?
Right.
That's pretty neat.
It's got a cool little breather. Look at this. Look at those valve covers. Rocket, I think. Rocket. Even cooler. It's a 62 Oldsmobile something. F85. So he was telling us the story on it, said that 1960, 1961, well, when they started this V8. They started it in 62?
61 through 63.
Oh, these guys know more about
What
it
the
than I
heck?
do.
Y'all know? They know all about the car. Dang. Which one? Who wanted it? Who wanted to keep it?
Whose dream was it?
We're going to talk about this car again because this was your dream to build this car?
Yes, sir. This car has been in my family my entire life. I'm 14 years of it. This car has just been, we have a million old cars because that's just like our family thing, but this has always been the top of my list. And not only is this just a diamond in the rough, kind of just a really weird car that nobody actually knows exists, it's actually a really rare version of that car. Because there's, I would say, three main versions or three main different things that are cool about this car that don't actually come in other 1962 Oldsmobile F85 sedans. So the first thing would be that it has a hardtop roof. And that might just seem like a normal thing, but for these cars, most of them were actually convertibles. Back in the 60s, you know, convertibles were a new thing, even Benz glass was a new thing, and that was a really cool thing that everybody loved having. And so this was like your most stereotypical convertible car, but this being a hardtop was actually a really rare thing. They didn't make a lot of those because a lot of people wanted convertibles. Another really cool thing is that it's actually 4 doors. So not only does it have 4 doors, but it also has 2 bench seats. So it can sit 6 people instead of 3. That was a really cool thing too, because this is a good family car. Not only is it not convertible, it's a hardtop, it's reliable hardtop. It also has 6 seats, so you can have a family with 4 kids, and you know, you can just have like a really good time in this car. And the third, probably the coolest thing about it is actually its engine. This engine wasn't just any regular engine, it's actually made of aluminum, and the really cool thing about that is it's about 400 pounds. It's the kind of engine you'd see in little race cars. Super light, super fast, super reliable, and super well made. Back in, you know, later on in the 80s, they made engines out of like plasticky things and made them really bad engines, but back in the 60s, they had really top quality engines. So
That's pretty
I think
cool.
that's really cool about this.
Yeah, that is neat. That is neat. And that you what did you say you wanted to be?
I wanted to be a lawyer.
You need to forget all that. You need to be a salesman. Dude, I think, because I was on the fence about buying the car, but now it's mine. I bought it. I'm gonna buy it.
Great.
So
I really
yeah,
hope you do.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you for
Yeah.
telling me all about it, man. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
you're welcome.
I was on the fence, but you just sold it to me.
Oh, thank you.
For real.
Maybe I should be a car salesman. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I was. I did
Got a
that.
few years to decide though.
I
so.
did that for a while. It's not, no, don't do that. It's a lot of, it's too many hours. Too many hours. But man, this is cool, dude.
It really is. Really special car, and if we had room for it, we'd take it ourselves. But hopefully, if you take it, it's a really good car that
Yeah.
somebody will really enjoy.
Somebody, we'll find the person that needs this car, that wants to build it. We'll try to find them.
Good.
So,
Well, whoever you are, I hope you really enjoy this car because I've enjoyed it for 14 years.
cool. Awesome, man.
It's really nice meeting you, sir.
Yeah, man, you too, dude. You too. I appreciate that, man. That's awesome.
All right, is it going? All right, so first of all, I can do a proper English accent, especially when I'm doing someone who is supposed to be intelligent.
Oh, and then there's a bit of a cockney. It's not as refined as the proper English, but still very fun to do in my personal opinion. And then you get into the Scottish accent. It's very fun to do for me personally.
And then you get into the Irish, which isn't as, the Irish accent isn't as aggressive as the Scottish accent, but it's still fun for me to do. Then you go down to Australia. It's a bit more nasally for me to do, but it's a lot of fun, very entertaining for other people. Yes, then there is a French accent, especially, it is still there. And then there is a German accent, which is a little similar, but it's not as nasally for me to do, personally.
Then there is Mother Russia. Indeed, it is my brother's favorite accent for me to do. Yes, it is very fun for me.
Yeah, then there is the Indian accent. I do this especially whenever there is something to be sold. It's something a little entertaining for me to do every now and again. That's all the ones I can think of right now.
The trailer. I promise you this, if somebody doesn't want it, I want the dash,
Yeah,
the steering wheel, and the engine.
You want me to go get my strap out of my truck? My tow strap?
Your truck's right here. Give me some more slack.
Oh. Okay, what are we going to attach this to?
I asked you that and you said you knew.
I don't know. I do know.
What?
This block
What block?
of concrete.
Pull the total truck up here.
I don't want to run into it. Oh, never mind.
Sometimes there's just not enough rocks.
So am I gonna pull forward in the truck or am I gonna pull backwards with the?
I don't know, because it's gonna be a f***ed up angle. Just watch that trailer. Keep going.
Yeah, I just had to put it in 4-wheel drive.
Oh, wait. Let me put it in neutral.
What?
The front tires don't roll anyway. All right.
What's going on?
Come on now. Commit. Keep going. Hold on, I need to get a jack.
Oh,
There it goes. Pull up a little bit
you gonna stay right there?
for the moment. Just go easy on it until I
It's
get
kind of
it.
sketchy.
It's okay. Whoa! Whoa! All right, go. Like a big turd.
I saw that jack. I was like, oh no.
Pull up a little more.
Pull up a little more.
Yeah. All right. Careful now, my record player. It's totally clean. Totally exteriorly clean. Twin turbo, like Mickey Thompson's on the back, full cage, center drive. Mickey Thompson? Yeah, he's a folk singer.
What are y'all talking about?
No, Mickey Thompson. He makes like drag racing.
Yeah.
tires.
Is he still alive?
I don't know. Him and Dick CPEC. I didn't do it. If he stops, I'm running.
Who?
The cops. No cop, no stop.
Oh,
The engine and the dashboard.
dang, this is cool.
The dash and the steering wheel look amazing. They would look really cool in something else. And the engine is unique. I like the valve covers. Yeah, ask all the dumb questions you want and I'll give you the answers that I can give you that sound as smart as I can sound. How's that? 2021. You ain't gotta be smart, you just gotta sound smart.
Look at that.
Look, it says Rocket with 2 T's and an E. The Rocket 8. I want to see what it looks like underneath the Rocket T. Spin the wing nut round and round, round and round, round and round. Whoa! Look at that. That's interesting. Look how the intake
Whoa.
is made for the breather to fit.
So that's unique. I have never. You're not putting a. Wait.
Why not?
You can put a Holly on there.
You could put fuel injection on there and hide it.
That's so cool.
You know what I'm saying? You could
Hold
put the
on.
fuel injection in there and then put this back on there and it'd still look like it was supposed to
Oh my
look.
gosh, that'd be so perfect.
Look, the linkages even ran through that.
Russell, this is a neat engine.
It's a neat engine. That's what I was saying from jump.
Why don't we have a dang rat rod to put this in? We need a lot more time and a lot more of us.
Yeah, there's only one of me.
What that means is Russell's doing all the work.
No.
Hold on, I want to take a picture of this.
It's okay. That's what I'm here for.
Okay.
That's my job.
No. He understood the assignment.
These people.
I don't care. I don't care.
Are you done taking pictures?
Oh man, I could take a million pictures of this
Well, I'm gonna
car.
put this back on.
Oh, what do these look like, Alex? What does that look like? What is that emblem? Tesla. Nope. Nope.
Come on, bro.
You got it.
Richard Mallard. Think Richard Mallard.
Yep.
What? I'm lost now.
Speakers. The speaker. JL Audio.
Oh, yeah, I don't know stuff.
You still don't know?
I don't know.
Look, I'm gonna show you.
Richard Mallard would know what this looks like.
How did Richard know?
Look.
Oh, yeah, wow. Okay.
I mean, it's exactly the same.
So, before speakers, they made rims.
I'm so scared that thing's gonna taco
Bueno.
break. See, it's old and they didn't brace them really good. Is that what it is?
No.
Just crappy
Yeah.
hooks?
And I think the hinges are rusty.
So it doesn't have, it's not as free as it once was.
So, Russell, 2 cars, 2 days. How you doing?
Hey, can we open the trunk?
We don't have keys. I feel like we're starting a salvage yard.
What do I think?
You want me to answer like Chase?
I'm excited. I mean, we got a lot happening.
That is not how I talk. Please don't tell me I talk like that.
You don't.
Sometimes I do.
You gotta say, what are you talking about?
What are you talking about? I'm excited.
You're crazy in the back, man.
Why you gotta make fun of me?
That's my job.
Okay. I'm excited. That was natural response too. I mean, I do say that. I say I'm excited that much. Yeah.
I say so a lot. So, I guess that's better than but now I catch myself. That's why I can't watch the videos, because I overanalyze everything I say.
So,
Hey.
so what we're gonna, okay guys, 2 fingers.
Let's get a.
Oh, we're never gonna look as cool in front of this car as we did in front of the limousine.
Come on, Russell. Hold on.
No. Fucking dick. Get sexy. Get sexy.
You can't quit laughing. Y'all are retarded. I'm done.
We're gonna ask y'all one more time to go watch our videos, check them out, see what kind of antics we're up to every single day, see all the crap we're buying, listen to Chase's phone never stop fucking ringing.
Will you like and subscribe
This is
our
what
video?
my life is like.
You need to like and subscribe our video, okay? If you're gonna call, you gotta like and subscribe because we're trying to do an outro.
Every time I get Chase to help me, this is what happens.